What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're making doubles. So for today's doubles, we're gonna be using organic chickpeas, guys. Do not boil it, just let it rest for an hour, guys, all right? So remember, we're making doubles, which started in 1936 by this beautiful man and his wife. This was one of the fastest growing street food in Trinidad and Tobago. So today I'm gonna veganize it. Wait a minute, I'm just putting a little twist on it because you know why I always go out with a twist. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so let's add a little oil. Add our chickpeas. We're gonna add in 1 cup of water. Just let that cook up a little bit, and we're gonna add a little bit of the seasoning. You can find this, guys, on vegankingsworld.com, the full recipe for this Channa. All right, guys, so now we're gonna add our cilantro to the Channa. All right, guys, you're just gonna add that in. It smells so delicious, guys. Alright, guys, so while we're letting the Channa simmer, I'm gonna head to the spices. As you can see, I got some, this is sofrito, guys. That's my twist. I'm adding sofrito. Some people call it epis, some people call it sofrito. It's just a bunch of seasonings blended together and I added it in. That's my twist, guys. These are the red lentils, guys. To add an extra twist to this meal, I'm gonna add in about 2 cups. Mix that in, guys. Smells amazing in here, guys. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of my king sauce. Its base color is gonna change because I put in my king sauce, and that's gonna give it more flavor for the doubles, guys. It's gonna be amazing. I can't wait for you guys to try this. Don't forget, hit the like button, smash on that bell, subscribe. Let's go. And hello to all my beautiful new subscribers. I appreciate you so much. Welcome to Vegan Kings family. Look at the color, guys. Look at that beautiful curry, turmeric, onions, and garlic. It's just so delicious, guys. And I'm gonna add some sofrito, guys. Again, this is the way I do it. This is my recipe. This is not the traditional recipe. They do not normally put sofrito. They just put cilantro. But again, guys, this is just my recipe. If you want to follow it, you can. But I can guarantee you it's delicious. Now, we're going to just cover it for 5 to 8 minutes. Alright, guys. So the Channa is all ready, guys. So you know what that means. Now it's time to start the bara. Alright, guys, so now we're gonna start making our bara. Alright, family, you got your turmeric, your baking powder, your Himalayan salt, your curry, your sugar, your instant yeast, and your flour, guys. So let's just mix our ingredients. Alright, guys, so make a little hole in the middle of the flour. Let's add some water. Okay, so let's just mix this until it turns into a nice dough. Guys, make sure that the water that you're adding is warm, not too cold, just warm, guys. I'm gonna add in some more water. Alright, guys, so add a little olive oil to the batter. Roll this around and make sure that the oil goes all over it, guys, and cover your dough, guys. We're gonna let this set for an hour until it doubles in size. All right, guys, so now that our dough have doubled in size, we're gonna take it out and we're gonna put it down, and we're gonna divide this dough into 14 to 16 pieces. Alright, guys, so the bara is ready. Alright, so it looks like this. Alright, let me show you guys the step to doing it exactly how it should be. Alright, guys, so we're gonna just push it down, right? Fold it down, 1, left and right, and then you're gonna turn it to the side. Put it in your hands, guys, and turn it into a ball. like so. I'm gonna put them back into the bowl. All right, guys, time to roll. All right, so that's it. Now put your bara into the oil. As soon as it rises to the top, you're gonna grab it and flip it to the other side. That's simple, guys. Alright guys, for your bara to be nice and soft, get some paper towel, right? Put it in a bowl so your bara could stay nice and soft, guys, just like this, alright? And then cover it up. Alright guys, so now let's build our doubles. I have the channa right here, which is already ready. And I'm gonna put some in the bara. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of this sauce that I made because I don't really like too much spice. So this is a special sauce that is on my website, guys. Alright guys, add that beautiful chutney. The recipe can be found on my website, guys. That channa looking sweet. Look at the bara. Oh gosh. Ooh. Alright guys, now let's go in for the bite. Wow, now that's some good doubles. If you like what you see, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and smash and swing on that bell. Peace.